So let's go for this week. Tonight we've got Rangi Tane Nuirobo, and we're talking about hope and his journey, so that'll be interesting. And then tomorrow night we're talking about Te Moana me te Ngahere, and once again we'll be featuring hope, but also we'll be looking at the West Coast. On Wednesday night we're talking about the broadcasting world, and I'll be looking at Māori television. And then on Thursday night, it's the arts, and I'm looking at the reo and carrying on with the discussion of the book, The Value of the Māori Language. On Friday, it's politics, and thanks very much to Hape Lomax for being part of last week. I thought Hape's was at least as interesting as other guests that I have on. In fact, I'm thinking of Laila Hare. If you put Laila Hare and Hape Lomax together, if you were to somehow make some kind of composition, or compilation I should say, of speakers, that would be excellent, because you've got the local, you'd have the local and the national, and you would have the broad and the highly focused. Very good, really excellent discussion, and particularly about his passion for rats and so forth. Rats, the group that tries to put so much into preventing suicide. Okay, you're with Peter Cleve here, and it'd be great to have you with us this week. Kia ora mai rā koutou katoa.